Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this, I'm going to compare the screen brightness comparison test between the iQOO 7 device versus Realme X7 Max device. Let's see friends which one has got what type of brightness level. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And for that I do have this kind of digital lux meter, and iQOO 7 has got the 1300 nits of brightness, and the Realme X7 Max has got the peak brightness of 1000 nits. So 1000 and 1300 peak brightness, and the peak brightness will be achieved only under certain conditions. For example, when you're trying to watch HDR videos, or maybe if you're trying to use the brightness in the auto brightness mode. So this video I'll try to include the auto brightness mode and test with the full brightness mode and test with the minimum brightness mode. All these three categories we'll try to discuss in this entire video. So let's get started friends without wasting any kind of time. So first let's go to open gallery. I'd like to keep this white page in the background as well. So right now I'll try to increase to the full brightness. As you can clearly see friends, full brightness I'm trying to increase. This is not in the auto mode, okay, this is not in the automatic mode, this auto brightness mode, this full brightness mode. And Realme X7 Max also I'll try to increase same thing. So full brightness, I'm not sure whether you will be able to see it or not, but yes, full brightness I'm trying to use it right now. Let me slightly zoom it in here. So both are exactly white color background, as you can clearly see friends, so which will give a clear idea of what's going on as well regarding the brightness levels. Now let me measure exactly the full brightness mode, which phone has got what type of results. In the iQOO 7 device we are getting about close to 750 and 756, 765. You can check overall complete phone as well. 760 is the highest value which we got in the iQOO 7 device, 766 as well. Not bad, that's pretty good. In the in the Realme X7 Max device, we're getting the maximum brightness of 600. So we're getting about 600 kind of brightness, 600, and we are getting about 770, kind of close to 770 and 600 with the full brightness mode. And you might be wondering, even with the studio light environment, can you please turn off and do it again? So this is a test for you all. For the users who are actually looking for this kind of testing, even with studio lighting effect as well, we'll get the very similar results. As you can see, 600 nits only we are getting. In the iQOO 7 device we are getting same 760. Nothing much changed, as you can clearly see friends, because this is the area which will be focused every time when you're trying to check this kind of brightness. So most of the time it will be covered. That's the reason this kind of studio lighting effect also will not impact. Now it's time to check low brightness mode, completely low brightness. As you can see, completely low brightness mode. Now let's see what's happening with overall results. The complete low brightness mode, how much we can actually expect. Realme X7 Max, it went down to 1 nits, as you can see, 1. And in the iQOO 7 device, it did go up to 2. So regarding the low brightness, you can see the Realme X7 Max has got low brightness when compared with the iQOO 7 device, clearly. This is another bonus point. Now it's time to test the auto brightness mode. In the auto brightness mode, what we need to do is that we need to use this kind of flashlight, so which will exactly point the light in the sensor, and that will increase the brightness. So that's how this actually works, this kind of testing. Right now I'm trying to keep exactly in the place where there is auto brightness mode. Let me take out. Now let me show you. Now look at the brightness. It did increase up to close to 1200, as you can clearly see friends. Now we are getting the value 1188 and 1185. So the peak value is about 1300 nits in the iQOO 7 device, and we are getting about 1200. And in the settings there's another value. I think there's another option. Let me show you friends. In the settings there should be the battery, think in the screen colors. So I did try to select the bright as well, but still I'm not getting that kind of high level. Let's check again. And now we're getting 1294 with the bright option. With the standard option we're getting 1270, 1280, and with this one bright option, not bad. As you can see friends, regarding the values. And now let's check out in the Realme X7 Max device what's going on in this device regarding overall display properties. And let's enable auto brightness mode. I'm not sure exactly where is the sensor, maybe somewhere around here I guess the sensor will be there. But now with the full brightness mode, now try to observe. As you can see, let me slightly Yes, now you can see it full increased. And now look at the score, we are getting about 822. Still it did not increase close to 1000 nits friends, still it did not increase. And let's check the screen color modes. Natural mode also we are getting 860. And in the pro mode it got decreased. In the pro mode and natural mode it was about 870. Not bad. So that's the difference. Is a quick brightness comparison between these both phones. So these are the test is actually. And in case if you want me to do any other comparison with other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below with what smartphones you want me to compare side by side. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next video for more updates. Overall, the iQOO 7 has got slightly better advantage in the brightness when compared with the Realme X1 Max device. Meanwhile, signing off until next video for more updates and bye.